ladies' heads over the right shoulder. All right, during the lock, we change our shape, right? So shape starts changing to bring the lady's head over the left. I'm sorry, over the right shoulder. So once again, from a different angle, looking at lady steps here and gentlemen, reverse turning lock. We are 1 and 2, 3. All right, so looking at the next piece of this. So gentlemen, start with our steps. So gentlemen, we just finished side, all right, on the left foot. All right, from here, gentlemen, we are going to do a checked left whisk. So the right foot is going to whisk behind the left, and we're going to change shape down to the right here. All right, so we're checking here on 1 onto the right foot, replacing to the left with rise on 2, and then side to the right, we'll bring shape back over to the left on 3. All right, so just talking about the footwork here again, gentlemen. We check, replace with rise, and side to the right. All right, that is toe, heel, toe, toe, heel. Shape change, all right? We started with head over to the left in promenade position, all right, as we lowered onto the left foot. All right, now we are changing shape to the right, replacing weight to the left as we rise, and then we're lowering onto the right foot, bringing shape back, tilt to the left. All right, this is to prepare for the Contra Check. All right, so lady steps here. Ladies, all right, what we are going to do is start with our left whisk. So we just settled onto the right foot here, ladies. So the left foot is going to whisk behind the right, and shape will go down to the left. We will replace back to the right foot, rising up on the toe, and then settle side, toe, heel onto the left foot. Shape will turn back to the right. All right, so once again, ladies, we just settled onto the left leg here. I'm sorry, we just settled onto the right leg here. Yes, all right, so we just settled onto the right leg here, ladies. Now we're going to check the left foot behind. Shape changes over the left shoulder. We replace to the right, and then we are side to the left. Shape changes back to the right, all right? Back to a promenade shape. All right, so looking at this with a partner. All right, show this from a couple different angles. So we just ended side, all right, with shape down to the left. All right, now leading the left whisk, I'm going to turn the lady, sending her foot back. All right, so see, that's the lead for the lady. Now, while I'm in this shape though, gentlemen, I am whisking my right foot back at the same time. All right, so this is how we're creating this nice strong shape here with the left whisk. All right, now from here, gentlemen, we replace, bringing the weight up to the side. All right, and then we lower, settling onto the foot. All right, once again, so that goes check, replace, side. Once again, check, replace, side. One more time, check, replace, side. All right, so you see the shape changes there. Show it from a different angle as well. All right, so we start here, gentlemen. Shape to the left, weight on the left foot. Check behind on the right. Replace and change shape side. All right, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, so what this looks like with a partner starting with the reverse turning lock, we are 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, another angle. Ready, and go. 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, so moving on to one of the last pieces of today's routine. That is Contra Check. So for a Contra Check, gentlemen, what we're doing is we are checking, stepping forward on the left foot, replacing weight back to the right, rising up on the toe, and then we will exit this side in promenade position, forward toe heel on the left foot. All right, so once again, gentlemen, from another angle here, we are checking forward on the left, shape changes, tilting down to the right. We replace weight back to the right, rising up on the toe. All right, hips turn and head turns to promenade as we lower forward toe heel. All right, so timing here for Contra Check is just 1, 2, 3. All right, so ladies steps here for Contra Check. Ladies will be stepping back on the right foot. So ladies, we're stepping back on the right foot. We don't want this to be a small step either, so we want to get a good drive here. Now, shape is going to change from head being over the right shoulder to over the left. We will then replace weight forward, rising up on the toe, and then we will exit side to the right in promenade position. So once again, ladies, Contra Check. We are 1, 2, 3. One more time, different angle. Ladies, we are 1, 2, 3. All right, so ladies, what this looks like, and gentlemen with a partner, starting with head in promenade position. We step on 1, change shape, replace, and exit promenade. Once again, this is 1, 2, 3. All right, another angle. Gentlemen, ladies, we are 1, 2, 3. One more time. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. All right, so we're going to put all 3 of those figures together. All right, great combination here. This is reverse turning lock, followed by a checked left whisk into Contra Check. All right, standard exit to promenade position. All right, so on my count, ready, and go. 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, once again, from a different angle. Ready, and go. 1 and 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, thank you so much. So, last thing we're going to do is we're going to put that whole sequence together. So that means we're starting with preparation step into natural, steps 1 through 3, natural turn and spin turn. And then we're going into a reverse turning lock to a checked left whisk and then Contra Check. So what this will look like with a partner, I'll show from a couple different angles. With our rhythmic timing count. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, another angle for you here. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. All right, one more angle for you here. Ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3.